Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best balloon arch is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching decorations you can add to any celebration, especially for Memorial Day, transforming ordinary spaces into festive and memorable environments that evoke a sense of patriotism and joy, making your event stand out and creating a stunning focal point that guests will admire and remember long after the festivities conclude. Number 5. PartyWoo Royal Blue Matte Balloons. Get a pack of 50 dark blue balloons, perfect for any celebration. They are ideal for birthdays, parties, weddings, and baby showers. These balloons are made from safe and non-toxic latex. We recommend using a balloon pump for easy inflation. When filled with air, they stay inflated for up to 72 hours. For floating, helium works best for 3 to 6 hours, so fill them just before your event. Use them to create stunning balloon garlands and arches. They are perfect for birthdays, parties, weddings, baby showers, and anniversaries. Please do not overfill them. Avoid direct sunlight, excessive heat, sharp objects, and rough friction. Inflate them to your desired size for the best look. What we like. This pack offers a generous quantity of dark blue balloons, perfect for creating stunning balloon arches and garlands. If you're looking for a classic and versatile dark blue for various celebrations like birthdays or baby showers, this is a solid choice. Its non-toxic material ensures safety for all your guests. What people say. The balloons were a good size and held air well throughout the event. The arch was easy to assemble and looked very festive once completed. It provided a great focal point for photos and added a lot of color to the party decorations. Number 4. PartyWoo Royal Blue Balloons 100 PCS 12-inch. Introducing our pack of 100 royal blue balloons. Their solid, consistent color brings vibrant energy to any celebration. Crafted from high-quality, thick latex, these balloons stay full longer. They are perfect for creating stunning arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of events. Use them for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, graduations, and more to add a vibrant touch. Filled with air, they stay full for up to 72 hours. With helium, they float beautifully for 3 to 6 hours, perfect for adding joy to your party. For optimal float time, fill with helium 1 to 2 hours before your event. Avoid overfilling, direct heat, or sharp objects to ensure they stay perfect. Whether it's a graduation, wedding, or birthday, these balloons are the ideal choice. They help make any occasion more vibrant and memorable. What we like. With double the quantity, this set provides a consistent and vibrant dark blue hue, ideal for larger events or when you need extra balloons. If you need balloons that are extra durable and will stay inflated throughout your entire celebration, from setup to the very end, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for making a big impact at parties. What people say. The balloons were good quality and held air well. The arch was easy to assemble and looked great for the party. It came with plenty of balloons in various sizes and colors. Number 3. PartyWoo Burgundy White Gray Balloons. Introducing our stunning collection of burgundy, white, and gray balloons. Perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to any celebration. This pack includes a generous quantity of 12-inch and 10-inch balloons in pearl maroon, matte burgundy, white, and gray. They are designed to impress. Crafted from thick, high-quality latex, these balloons stay inflated longer, ensuring your decorations look perfect throughout your event. Inflating them is a breeze, and they are compatible with standard balloon necks for quick setup. They are perfect for creating arches, garlands, and centerpieces. From graduations and birthdays to baby showers and anniversaries, these balloons are the ideal choice to make your special moments even more memorable. Elevate your party decor with these beautiful balloons. They are sure to be a hit and create a festive atmosphere for all your guests. What we like. This set offers a unique and sophisticated color palette of burgundy, white, and gray, perfect for a more elegant or themed event. If you're aiming for a chic and modern aesthetic for occasions like graduations, New Year's Eve, or bachelorette parties, these balloons provide a distinctive look. The mix of finishes adds depth to your decorations. What people say. The balloons were a good size and the arch held up well throughout the event. Easy to assemble and looked great for our party decorations. Number 2. JOYYPOP 80PCS Patriotic Latex Balloons. Get ready for your next patriotic celebration with our all-in-one balloon pack. It includes everything you need to create a festive atmosphere. Featuring a mix of red, white, and blue latex balloons, along with dazzling confetti balloons. These are perfect for Independence Day, anniversaries, and any patriotic event. Easily enhance your decorations for graduations, Flag Day, holidays, and election celebrations. Show your patriotism with these eye-catching balloons. These balloons are easy to fill with air, helium, or even water. Just remember not to overfill them for the best results. Crafted with good quality materials, you can trust that these decorations will last. Enjoy your celebration without worrying about popping. For safe use, please ensure you leave enough space when inflating. Keep them away from fire and sharp objects to ensure they stay intact. What we like. This pack is your go-to for patriotic celebrations, featuring classic red, white, and blue with the added fun of confetti balloons. If you're planning a 4th of July party, Memorial Day event, or any patriotic gathering, this set offers an all-in-one solution. The confetti balloons add an extra festive touch to show your national pride. What people say. The balloon arch was a great addition to our Memorial Day party, easy to assemble and looked fantastic. Sturdy and held up well throughout the event, even with a slight breeze. The balloons included were good quality and the colors were vibrant, really added a festive touch. Number 1. PartyWoo Royal Blue Balloons Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning Royal Blue Balloon Arch Kit, perfect for any celebration. This pack comes with a variety of sizes to create a beautiful, full display. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to last. They stay inflated longer, ensuring your decorations look perfect throughout your event. Easily inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or use helium for a floating effect. Note, smaller sizes may not float. They are designed for quick and simple inflation. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, or sharp objects to ensure the balloons remain intact. Control the inflation for your desired size and enjoy your party. From baby showers and gender reveals to birthdays and graduations, these balloons add a touch of elegance. Make your special moments even more memorable with these beautiful decorations. This comprehensive kit includes balloons in various sizes, ideal for creating stunning arches, garlands, or centerpieces. They are sure to impress your guests. What we like. This kit provides a range of dark blue balloon sizes, specifically curated for creating impressive balloon arches and garlands. If you're aiming for a professional-looking balloon arch with dimension and visual interest, this set is perfect. It's ideal for creating a focal point at events like baby showers, gender reveals, or under-the-sea themed parties. What people say. The balloons were a good size and the arch held up well throughout the event. Easy to assemble and looked great for our party decorations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.